Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel.
Ride Rock Creek, here we go.
Ride Rock Creek is a new bike park that opened up this past November, about 30 minutes outside of Brevard or Hendersonville. I was pretty excited to get the gang to come to Ride Rock Creek. We had a pretty big day on Thursday doing the Black Mountain Loop and Sycamore, which included quite a bit of hike-a-bike. So I think everybody was ready for some shuttle laps. I had been to Ride Rock Creek twice, both times for races, and most of my time has just been spent on the actual race courses doing practice laps, and I haven't really explored any other parts of the park. The first time I rode this Green River Trail, I was really impressed with it. It has a lot of flow, and I like the way the sections kind of join together, and it has some really good berms as well. It's a long trail too. I'll be using this trail in the future to warm up on, since it doesn't have any rock in it. It gives you an opportunity to really do some pumping, a little bit of jumping, hit the berms without wearing yourself out. And so I enjoyed filming Chris on this run, and I thought the GoPro footage with the GoPro turnaround backwards really fit well to this trail. So I wanted to include it in the video. You know, I think they did a really good job with this trail, and you should check it out.
Sealing in my tires. I was coming over the road gap really quick, and I could like feel my tire going like this. What's the order here?
You want to go behind Pops? Jill, you want to go behind him? Or go behind Shawn so you get on video.
Oh, sweet.
Go!
Big chunks of tumbleweed are used for the Cat 2, Cat 3 racetrack. So I've been on this run obviously more than anything else in Ride Rock Creek so far. And one of the joys of this particular trip was getting to ride with a guy named Dylan, who turns out I'd actually ridden with him out in SoCal this summer. There was quite a few people when I went and did a park day at Big Bear and Snow Summit, and he was one of the guys who was out there riding, and he and his dad came out with the G4 gang to ride in Pisgah. And so I was trying to get some shots of him. I got a little better towards the end, but Dylan's really been stepping up his game. It's fun to ride with him, fun to watch him. He definitely is someone that is up and coming, and I look forward to seeing his progression. I know that Jim has spent a lot of time encouraging him and helping him get the next bike that he's riding now, and just has done a lot to see Dylan's skills improve. And so it was just a fun part of the trip. Unfortunately, there is one big step up that I just ran out of energy, and I didn't end up hitting it, and I kind of messed him up on clearing that. So sorry about that, Dylan, but it was fun to watch you ride, and I look forward to more park laps with you. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This is kind of an interesting video and trip for me, in that you know, these half of the G4 guys are from SoCal, and so it was interesting to see them ride some of this southern dirt. So hope you enjoy. So there's a minute or two more riding with me following Dylan, and then at the end I've got a couple of little extra clips from this day out at Ride Rock Creek. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. He's doing the jump. Is that the way to get to him? You good?
No, hold. All right, go.
Get it right, baby.
We're going a different direction towards it.
You good?
Yeah. Go.
I don't know if he went right here. Where the frick did you go, Steven?
Yeah, he's not even on the right spot.
Boo! There we go. Yeah.
Over here anyway.
Dylan, you behind me?
Yeah, I'm going for nothing.
No, sir.
Go.
Gotta stay tight. We'll all go together down this little final trail.
Yes, Director. He's loose. I've been loose for years.
Y'all ready?
Jesus. Keep it tight.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
So I decided to call this little move the Cobra. Somehow Jim was able to inflate himself up enough to cover up everybody else riding. Ah! All right, that's a full day right there.
Woo! Get a couple of runs with
Beep, beep.
New one's a good one.
You still.
Big Mike's.
Have you ever had anything like stolen?
Skitty.
So bad. Yeah, no.
Jim got this whole pizza for himself.
I didn't realize this world.
And he said he would.
Happen at any damn time.
And he said he would pay for my dinner.
So my dad, I'm gonna
See how he's paying for my dinner.
Fucking lock everything up.
Jim's
He
paying
had
for my
double,
dinner.
Triple locks. Always.
Jim's paying for my dinner.
Same thing.
You're a gummy worm.